Do you know what? It all comes down to this: responsibility. It doesn't matter how many men I talk to, it always comes back to this topic. Now, there are two parts of responsibility, so let me talk to you about both of them. Number one is when you feel so fucking overwhelmed, stressed out and worried because you are responsible for somebody else. You are the role model, you set the tone, you go out, get the bread for your family, for your business, you're the one that people look up to. So when you are not on form or when things aren't working out for you, you get the fucking brunt of it because the buck stops with you. There is no higher. When you're the leader, right, there is no further lid. It's capped on you. So to take that all on your shoulders and not have anybody else to express how you're feeling about that is what drives us into bad decisions, bad habits, things at the weekend, doing stuff that we shouldn't fucking do. That's why suicide, drug addiction, gambling, fucking alcohol, all of these things suppress it. So what you do is you tend to go to these things because you've got so much suffering and stress and worry and uncertainty over here. You go and do something that gives you certainty, even if it's just for a little space, a little time, a little moment in time you have certainty for, whether it's that first line, the first couple of pints, whatever it is, at least you know when you have it, you're going to feel X, Y, Z. Now, if you're not getting that in your life, that seems like something very fucking attractive to go and get, especially if you're around people that are doing the same, right? So responsibility drives us sometimes into fucking dark, deep holes, places that we can't get out of. But here's the thing, here's the funny thing about the whole fucking word and the topic. It's your responsibility to understand how you react to responsibility. It's your self-awareness and understanding how you deal with responsibility and what you need to do to be more responsible. Because you get two paths, right? You can either go this way or this way. Now, you know, if you take that right hand lane, you know where it fucking ends up. And that is your own personal responsibility every single day to make sure that you don't go down that path. And there will be little catalysts, there'll be little stepping stones, little things along the way that will fucking remind you why you shouldn't be going down that path. Temptation will try and drag you down there. Things, people and places, scenarios will always try and take you to that place. Why? Because it's fucking easy. It's the quick fix. You know that you'll just get that shot, hit a dopamine, you'll get that fucking rush, and everything for a moment will just change. Reality won't be what it is, just for a moment. But when you wake up the next day and the next 3 days, you know you're on your fucking arse, and then you know you should have took that left-hand lane. That left-hand lane is getting honest with yourself about who you are. What's stopping you, right, every single time from being your best when you're under pressure, when you're worried, and when you've got responsibility. That is working on yourself. That's self-improvement, personal development. People still seem to think that this area, this route is fucking fluffy. It's not. It's what makes you who you are, which allows you to then go back into these places, into your business, and you can start showing up as a person who you should fucking be. And when these temptations come in, you can just fucking look at them straight in the eye and say, do you know what? I'm all right, thanks. And to stand there like that with that level of control, knowing that your best self is over there and your worst self is over there, is something that so many men are chasing right now. So think about what path you're going to take. Think about which route you're going to go down today, and think about the outcome of both of those routes.